What if I told you some places defy belief? Imagine rivers glowing in impossible colors, mountains that look painted by giant artists, landscapes that challenge everything we know about nature. Today, we explore 15 hidden places on Earth that look surreal. These hidden gems are real and mind-blowing. By the end, you might see Earth in a whole new light. Let's begin our adventure in the American Southwest. First up, we have Antelope Canyon. At first glance, it seems sculpted by an artist. Over thousands of years, flash floods shaped the twisting sandstone walls. Sunlight dances through narrow openings, creating stunning light displays. The glowing orange and red walls feel alive, as though in a dream. Next, we move to the painted hills of Oregon. Imagine layers of red, gold, orange, and black rolling across hills. The colors were formed over millions of years through changing climates. At sunrise and sunset, the scenery ignites with vibrant hues. It's hard to believe nature crafted such beauty. Now let's venture to Tsingy de Bemaraha in Madagascar. Thousands of sharp limestone spikes rise from the ground. Some towers stretch over 100 feet high. Navigating this landscape involves bridges, ropes, and narrow paths. It's stunning yet dangerous, feeling truly extraterrestrial. Prepare for a surprise now. Lake Hillier in Australia. This lake is bubblegum pink year-round. Tiny microorganisms give it its unique color. The contrast of bright pink water with green forests is breathtaking. It's a place where reality seems stranger than fiction. Next, we visit the Door to Hell in Turkmenistan. This giant crater has burned for over 50 years. Flames roar from its depths day and night. At sunset, the desert darkens while the crater glows ominously. It's a powerful reminder of nature's fury. Now, we arrive at the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. More than 40,000 shaped basalt columns emerge from the coastline. Ancient people believed giants built these formations. In truth, volcanic activity created this wonder long ago. Waves crashing against the stones feels otherworldly. Next, behold China's Rainbow Mountains. Layers of vivid colors adorn the mountainsides. They formed over millions of years due to mineral accumulation. When sunlight strikes, they appear like a giant watercolor painting. It's one of nature's most stunning spectacles. Hidden beneath Mexico's mountains lies the Cave of the Crystals. Enormous selenite crystals grow here, some over 36 feet long. These giant formations took hundreds of thousands of years to develop. Entering this cave feels like stepping into a movie. Now, let's journey to Socotra Island, known for its alien landscapes. Isolated from the mainland, it features unique dragon blood trees. Almost a third of the species here are found nowhere else. Walking across Socotra feels like exploring another planet. Next is Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, famous for its optical illusion. During the rainy season, the salt flat becomes a giant mirror. The sky reflects perfectly on the water's surface. Walking here feels like striding through the heavens. Far below Belize's ocean surface is the Great Blue Hole. This enormous underwater sinkhole measures over 300 meters across. From above, it's a striking dark blue circle surrounded by turquoise. Divers discover unique underwater formations here, making it a prime diving spot. Next, journey to Mount Roraima in South America. This tabletop mountain inspired tales of lost worlds. Its steep cliffs rise sharply from lush jungles. Unique plants thrive here, found nowhere else on Earth. Standing atop Roraima feels like floating on clouds. In Arizona, the wave awaits. Millions of years shaped these flowing sandstone formations. The landscape resembles liquid rock frozen in time. Each curve tells a story, making it a sought-after hiking destination. Next, we travel to Siberia's Lake Baikal. It's the oldest and deepest freshwater lake on the planet. In winter, the surface transforms into crystal-clear ice. Massive cracks and frozen patterns create a surreal landscape. Peering through these clear spots reveals the depths below. Now, let's explore Colombia's Caño Cristales. Known as the River of Five Colors, it bursts with color. During certain months, aquatic plants create displays of red, yellow, green, blue, and black. From above, it looks like liquid rainbows flowing through. Finally, we'll conclude in Iceland with the ice caves of Vatnajökull Glacier. Sunlight filters through ancient ice, creating magnificent blue walls. Each winter, the caves change shape, offering new views each visit. It feels like stepping inside a giant sapphire. And there you have it, 15 hidden places on Earth that challenge our imagination. From glowing craters and rainbow mountains to crystal caves and mirror-like salt flats, these destinations remind us how extraordinary our planet is. Which of these impossible places amazed you most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed our journey, please like, subscribe, and join Secret Earth Network for more hidden wonders. Remember, sometimes the most unbelievable places are completely real.